Hi guys and welcome. Are you ready to take your earning potential to the next level? Meet AI Avatar, a game-changing technology for online entrepreneurs. With this AI avatar, you'll have access to unprecedented earning opportunities that will make you wonder and inspired. Join us today and discover the power of artificial intelligence and how you can use it to make more profit.
Have you ever wanted a portrait of yourself that looks just like you? Look no further, because autoportrait.ai is here to make that dream a reality. This fantastic service uses artificial intelligence to generate unique portraits of a person from multiple photos of their face. All you have to do is upload a few clear pictures of your face and let the magic of AI do the rest. The AI takes anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to train on your photos, but the results are truly stunning. The generated portraits are so lifelike, they look exactly like you. And the best part is the AI can generate an unlimited number of images in millions of stars, so that you can have a different picture for every mood and occasion. Autoportrait AI is also a secure service, so you can rest easy knowing that your payments are protected by Stripe and encrypted with SSL. And if privacy is a concern, you'll be happy to see that they have a strict privacy policy. To use Autoportrait AI, you'll need to buy credits. One image equals 1 credit, and you can buy 500 credits for one face training with artificial intelligence for one person. There's also a surprise package option, where you can get 50 images with random stars for a fun surprise. If you want even more portraits, you can buy 500 credits for up to 500 pictures or 1000 credits for up to 1000 pictures. And if you buy 1000 credits, you'll even save 10% in credits. That's 2 face training with artificial intelligence for 2 people and up to 1000 images. Autoportrait.ai is a game changer for people who want a unique and personalized portrait. It's not just about creating a digital image that looks like you. It's about having the ability to express yourself in new and creative ways. Whether you want to use your portrait for personal or professional purposes, Autoportrait AI has got you covered. The whole process is super simple and user-friendly. You must upload a few photos of yourself and the AI will do the rest. It's like magic. The AI uses these photos to create a digital version of you that can be customized in endless ways. You can choose from millions of presets and styles, or you can even create your custom style. And the best part? The AI is super smart, so it keeps learning and improving with every portrait it generates. So the more you use Autoportrait AI, the more personalized and unique your images will become. The guys behind Autoportrait AI, Zeke and Victor Timset, have ensured that the service is secure and trustworthy. They have implemented industry-standard encryption methods to protect your data and payments, so you can rest easy knowing that your privacy and security are taken seriously. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and generate some portraits today. Whether you want to make a personalized gift for someone special or use it as your profile picture on social media, Autoportrait is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, millions of styles and presets, and secure payment system, you can go right. Wow, Photo AI sounds like an excellent and unique tool. I can understand why you're excited to tell your friends about it. Let me tell you a bit more about what makes Photo AI stand out. Photo AI uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms to create new images based on your 10 photos. This means you can get a wide variety of pictures based on your style and preferences. The photos are not just randomly generated, they are generated based on the features and patterns the AI has learned from your photos. And the best part is that the process is speedy and efficient. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order. That's much faster than scheduling a photo shoot and waiting for the photos to be processed. And let's talk about the different available styles. With Photo AI, you can choose from a wide range of styles, including professional, trout, Polaroid, Pope, Royal, Movie, Celebrity, and Man packages. There's something for everyone, whether you want a classic professional look, a fun and quickie Polaroid style, or a pop culture-inspired meme. And the pricing is affordable too. With packages starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a deal on high quality. You can get a great deal on high-quality AI-generated images. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try out one of the unique photo packs, such as the LinkedIn pack, Tinder pack, Celebrity pack, or Man pack. These packs are priced from $19 to $25 each, allowing you to choose a specific background and get images tailored to your needs. It's also worth noting that Photo AI is currently in beta testing, which means that the technology is still experimental and there is a possibility of unexpected results and artifacts. However, the site is constantly updating its resources, and they are working to improve the processing times, which may be a little longer due to higher than normal demand. One thing that sets Photo AI apart from other photo editing tools is that it's powered by artificial intelligence. This means it can analyze your photos and create new images based on what it has learned. This gives you a vast variety of images to choose from, all of which are based on your style and preferences. Another advantage of using Photo AI is the speed and efficiency of the process. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order, which is a lot faster than traditional photo studios. And with pricing starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a great deal on high-quality images that are perfect for your needs. Of course, as with any technology, still in the experimental stage, there may be some unexpected results and artifacts. However, the Photo AI team is constantly updating its resources and improving the technology to deliver the best possible results. And if you're not completely satisfied with your images, they offer a risk-free service so that you can feel confident in your purchase. And let's remember the fun aspect of Photo AI. With so many different styles, you can get quirky and fun images or classic and professional ones. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, an avatar, or just some fantastic photos to share with your friends, Photo AI has you covered. So there you have it, a more detailed look at Photo AI and all the fantastic things it offers. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, a unique avatar, or just some fun and quirky images, Photo AI is worth checking out. Have you heard of Roast? It's the most excellent AI-based tool that's been making waves in the dating world. Roast helps users create the perfect date night images that truly represent their identity. Imagine having photos showing your personality, interests, and appearance in the best possible light. Well, that's exactly what Roast does for you. You might be wondering how Roast works. It's pretty simple. You must upload a few photos of yourself and AI technology will take care of the rest. The technology is trained on over 10,000 images viewed by more than 50 men and women. This means the AI has a pretty good idea of what makes a great dating photo. And the best part, you don't have to do anything but sit back and relax while the magic happens. Roast also provides dating information and expert advice to help users navigate the dating world. They understand that dating can be overwhelming, especially when creating a profile that stands out. With their knowledge and experience, they offer user tips and tricks to increase their matches and find the right person. One of the biggest challenges in dating is creating a profile that truly represents your identity. With Roast, you don't have to worry about that. The AI technology captures your personality and appearance in the most flattering way possible. And if you need help with what to write in your profile, Roast has covered you. They offer suggestions on what to write and how to present yourself in the best possible light. Roast also inspires your dating photos. Whether you're looking for ideas on what to wear, where to go, or what kind of photos to take, Roast has a wealth of information to help you create the perfect dating profile. They know what works and doesn't, and they're happy to share their knowledge with you. Another great thing about Roast is that it's affordable. You don't have to break the bank to get the perfect dating photos. They offer different packages to suit different needs and budgets so that you can find the ideal solution for you. And with their 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can be confident that you're making a wise investment. Roast is compatible with all the popular dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, Hinge, and Badoo. You don't have to worry about linking your profile to Roast or sharing sensitive information. The app is completely secure and confidential. So what kind of photos you can expect from Roast? The AI technology can create photos of different situations like business, casual, street, relaxing, sports, and beach. You'll get a minimum of 10 photos that are perfect for dating. The images are 100% authentic and truly capture the essence of who you are. And the best part, you'll see instant results as soon as you upload your photos. Roast uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology, including DALL-E 2, sound diffusion, and proprietary algorithms. The technology has already helped over 60,000 people improve their dating profiles, and the results speak for themselves. People who have used Roast have noticed an improvement in their dating lives, going from 1 match a month to 2 dates a week. But Roast is more than just a photo-generating tool. The company has spent over 8 years studying the dating world, conducting interviews, and experimenting to understand what works. They've combined these data with expert coaching to help users find their niche and attract the kind of people they like. You can upload your photos or share your Tinder profile, and Roast will give you a personalized action plan based on more than 10,000 profiles analyzed. The feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive. People call Roast the real deal and say it's helped them to get better results in their personal lives. The feedback is instant and personalized, and users find it helpful and informative. In conclusion, Roast is the perfect tool for anyone looking to improve their dating profile and find love. With its AI technology, expert advice, and affordable prices, it's no wonder why so many people are turning to Roast for help. So what are you waiting for? Give Roast a try today and see why it's quickly becoming the go-to tool for anyone looking for love. Have you heard of Ready Player Me yet? It's an awesome cross-game avatar platform for the meta universe that lets you create and customize 3D avatars using selfies. And let me tell you, the customization options are endless. With over 300 choices and the ability to import NFTs, you can make your avatar truly reflect your unique personality. That's not even the best part. You can use your customized avatar in over 7,000 supported apps and games. And for the developers, Ready Player Me offers a seamless integration platform with Unity and Unreal Engine SDKs. That means you can integrate the avatar platform into your own apps and games in just a matter of hours. And recently, the team at Ready Player Me launched Ready Player Me Labs, giving developers and users early access to experimental designs and features. The first release of Labs includes an AI-based avatar creator using DALL-E to generate unique textures based on user requests. And in response to popular demand, the team now allows users to customize tops, pants, and shoes. But the team at Ready Player Me has even bigger plans for the future of avatar customization. They are working on AI-powered stylization, gender-neutral body types, different body shapes, and age preset to add even more variety and personalization options for users. And with the latest version of the Unity SDK, 1.11.0, you can now take advantage of the Render API directly in the Unity SDK to create 2D rendered avatars for leaderboards or user profiles in your game. Plus, with the addition of runtime avatar caching, loading multiple avatars is now more efficient and faster for users. And the SDK includes SDK Logger, a debugging tool that helps you keep track of the avatar load and status. And that's just the tip of the iceberg regarding what the Ready Player Me platform has to offer. But that's not all. The team behind Ready Player Me is always working on new and exciting updates and features to improve the platform. They are constantly listening to the community and gathering feedback to ensure they deliver what users want. And they also host regular events and contests where users can showcase their creativity and win fantastic prizes. So whether you're a gamer, developer, or just looking for fun and unique way to express yourself, Ready Player Me is the perfect platform. With endless customization options, fun features, and constant updates, there's no limit to what you can create and achieve in the meta universe. So why wait? Sign up today and join the fun. Have you heard of the new AI-based application called Omniverse Audio 2-Phase from NVIDIA? It's a game changer in 3D character animation, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So what exactly is Audio 2-Phase? It's an application that simplifies the animation process for 3D characters, making it easy to match any voiceover or backstory. Whether you're an animator for a game, movie, or just for fun, Audio 2-Phase has got you covered. It can be used in real time for interactive applications, or as a traditional character creation tool. And the best part, the results can be run in real time or baked. It's up to you. Audio 2-Phase has many features that make it stand out from the rest. This application has got everything from meta-universe applications, data analytics, and healthcare to gaming, creative, and machine learning. With the latest update, the app now includes blending, shape conversion, and export options, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Now let me tell you how it works. All you have to do is record a soundtrack and enter it into the app. Then sit back and watch as your 3D face comes to life in real time. Yes, you heard that right. You can even create live animations using just your microphone. And the best part is, Audio to Face is capable of processing any language, making it accessible to people from all around the world. But that's not all. Audio to Face gives you the power to focus on any 3D human or face, whether realistic or stylized. With just a few clicks, you can even change characters on the fly, whether human or animal. And if you're working on a scene with multiple personalities, don't worry, Audio to Face can easily handle that too. You can run multiple instances of the app with any number of characters and animate them, all from different soundtracks. And the last but not least, Audio to Face gives you the ability to select and animate your character's emotions in a matter of seconds. The AI network automatically manipulates the movements of your face, eyes, mouth, tongue, and head to match the range of emotions you select in the intensity level you set. It's that simple. Download NVIDIA Omniverse and get started with Audio to Face today. Once the installation is complete, just open the Omniverse launcher, locate Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, then Run. Trust me, you won't regret it. The latest update of the Omniverse Audio to Face app includes blend shape conversion and weight export options. You can now easily export and import from blend shapes for Blender and Epic Games Unreal Engine. You can even create character movements using the appropriate Omniverse connectors. So you're ready to bring your characters to life. In that case, all you need to do is download NVIDIA Omniverse, run the installation, open the Omniverse launcher, locate Omniverse Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, and then run. With the Omniverse Audio to Face app, you'll be able to create stunning 3D character animations that are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.